Y'all listen, Amazon is really pouring into their Boho Braid Wig ministry. I found this wig last week sometime. It got to me really quickly. It's very cute, super HD, full lace. Y'all, we got to get into this. We need to discuss this because it's really just that serious. Okay, so again, y'all, I found this wig on Amazon. This is a human hair boho box braid full HD lace wig. Man, that was a mouthful. Now, this is Brazilian human hair, so you gonna pay for it. Let's just get that out the way, okay? let's just call the cat a torty, okay? You are going to have to put a little coin in the plate in order to grab this wig, okay? That just is what it is. Now, let's jump on to the wig. It's very soft. It is absolutely human hair, y'all. You know how sometimes vendors will put human hair and they be a human hair lie? This is human hair. Now, this is very interesting. The braids are different sizes. Most of them are really small, but some of them are real juicy, like they got fed up and start throwing a couple big ones in there so they can go into the house. Yeah, that's kind of what that reflects to me and how I see the things in the way of the world. So bam, we just gonna juice it up, okay? Now, here's the thing. You don't have to do this. It was beautiful right out of the box, but y'all already know what time it is. When I get curly hair, I like to get it good and greasy, like it just got baptized, okay? So that's what I'm doing right here. Again, this part is really optional because it was coming at it like that. It was already eaten before this part, okay? We just making it ignorant on top of ignorant. Look at how beautiful that hair is. It is so lovely. The curl pattern is very pretty. I'm going to use a very moisturizing mousse to kind of lock in all that juice we just put on there, and you know, just kind of seal the deal as far as any flyaways, anything like that you can sometimes get with braid wigs. Now, I sprayed this because listen, the hair had a little smell, like a little factory smell, y'all. So really go through it, co-wash it, bam, you'll be good. Let me show you this HD lace, y'all. That is fantabulous, fabulous. That's it. That's all. Now the only thing left to do is plop it on my head. I'm going to show you what I do in the front. This is going to be 100% glueless, darling. And by glueless, I mean glueless, okay? No adhesive whatsoever, so you cannot shout nor fight with this wig on, okay? If you have plans to do either one of those things, you want to make sure you melt it down, okay? And wear your wig grip too. Really, depending on who preaching, wear your wig grip. If you know they can show enough buzz house, then wear the wig grip and melt it down, okay? So you don't end up on TikTok. All right, we just gonna plop this on, y'all. This is easy breezy. Everything else is really just your style. This is a full lace wig, so you can wear it in a high ponytail. You could do what you want to do, okay? That's why you paying those coins. Let's just tell the truth, Shannon. That's why you paying those coins. All right, now right there, you do not have to cut your ear tabs. I love cutting my ear tabs because it makes the wig lie more naturally to me. You don't have to do that, okay? You don't have to do this either. It really just depends on your tone. Yeah, that's really it. I had to tan it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying, just to get, you know, to get it to match the front of my face. All right, because we want it to look as natural as possible. Bam, just like that. Now you place it upon your head and it's over with. Head on down to Hobby Lobby or head on down to Michael's, whatever you prefer, or even what's the other one, the old school lady with the Joanne Fabrics. Go on down there to Joanne Fabrics, get your materials for your winter conference suit. It's over with. That's it. That's all, y'all. That was so easy, and this is glueless, baby, okay? Make sure you check out the information in the description box. What do y'all think? I got 24 inches. You don't have to get it that long. The longer you get it, the more expensive it is. You don't have to do that. They do have different sizes, so just check it out. Blow the comments up because I want to hear your thoughts on human hair boho braided wigs, because y'all have been asking for that. Y'all sick of the synthetic ones. Okay, well, here's a human hair one. What do you think about it? What do you think about it? That's really what I want to know. And who's gonna grab it? It's worth it to me. To me, you do what is best for your jacket pocket. Okay, and in the meantime, in between time, I wish you all peace, love, and light. Bye-bye.